there. I'm going to walk us through the solution for problem 4-1. So it's problem 1 in chapter 4. It's on page 31 in my textbook. So we're provided with a grid that displays the distance between a number of US cities in miles. And we're asked to use an index function to compute the distance between a couple of these cities. So to begin, I am going to insert a column um, right here. And the index function allows us to pinpoint the intersection between specific rows and columns. And we use the number of the rows and columns to direct Excel to the appropriate value. Sort of similar to lookups in that way. So I'm going to number the columns here so that when I'm doing my functions, excuse me, entering my index function, it will be easier for me to understand which column number I'm referencing. Okay, so the first distance that we're supposed to calculate is the distance between Los Angeles and Phoenix. Oops. And secondly, the distance between Denver and Miami. So we will use an index function to do that. The first thing that we need to do is name the range, the data range. In this case, it's already done for us. So this data range has been named as distances, and when you download this file from Econestoga, you'll see the same thing. So I'm going to make this large enough to fit the data. Let's get started. So we use an index function, index, excuse me. Now, remember, Excel gives us hints as to what data we need to enter next. So it's asking, where shall I go to find this information? What is the reference or the array? And in this case, it's the named range. So I'm going to click F3 and I'm going to select distances. Okay. It's now asking for the row number. So Los Angeles is referred to by a short form LA, and it's row 5. So I'll type the number 5 with a comma. Now it's asking which column number is required. So Phoenix, if we look along the top, is column number 7. So I'll enter the number 7 and I'll close my bracket. Let's just test this. So Los Angeles to Phoenix. So right here. Okay, so Los Angeles to Phoenix is 398. And in fact, our formula works. It's returned 398. Okay, I'll remove that highlight. So we're going to do almost the same formula again. So equals index. It's the same named range, distances. The row number for Denver, in this case, is 4. And the column number for Miami is 6. So I'll close my bracket. There we go. And we can check it. So Denver to Miami, right there. It is 2100. Now, what I would suggest is a title here. So we can call this distance between cities in miles. There. So that actually answers the question 4.1. Excuse me. Okay, thank you.